Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet a lunchbox crochet bag. The base of the bag is approximately 19 centimeters in length, 10 centimeters in width, and 16 centimeters in height. Here, I use 3-ply lace yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start crocheting. Begin with 49 chains for the length. In row 1, start with a chain and do a single crochet in every chain until the end, working into the back bump only. You should have a total of 49 stitches. In row 2, turn your piece and start with 2 chains. Then, do 2 double crochets and 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch and continue with 2 double crochets and 1 chain, making a total of 15 sets. After that, do 3 double crochets to end this row. In the following rows, repeat row 1 and row 2 for 9 sets. Then, finish with 1 more row 1 at the end. The base is approximately 7.4 inches in length and 4 inches in width. Next, we start to crochet the height of the bag. Skip 1 stitch and do 1 slip stitch in second stitch. In this round, crochet in the back loop only. Here, I show you how I make the first double crochet instead of make 2 chains. Do a single crochet and then make another single crochet in the first single crochet. This is one way to make the first double crochet instead of doing 2 chains. In this round, there is the same pattern with previous. Do 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch and continue with the pattern. Make 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and skip 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 16 times. In the side part, repeat the same pattern 10 times. Here, we pass through the hook and pull out the yarn from the double crochet. In the third sides, repeat the same pattern in the back loop only. In the fourth sides, repeat the same pattern 10 times, then 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. In round 2, turn the bag and do single crochet in every stitch till end. In round 3, turn the bag and do 2 double crochet and 1 chain, skip 1 stitch and repeat the same pattern 52 times. The pattern for rounds 2 and 3 is 1 set. Repeat it 13 times. Change to orange color after 10 sets. Then, in the following round, do 8 rounds of single crochet in every stitch until the end. Remember to turn the bag before starting every next round. For the strap, start with 8 chains. Then do 8 single crochet in row 1. Repeat the same pattern until they get the length that you want. Here I make 180 row on it. After done, sew the strap on the bag. Prepare a hard cover base for the bag. The measurement is same with the bag. The crochet bag is done. Thumbs up and share if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.